Okay, what color do you want? Hilarious. But I know how to do makeup because Mom taught me to.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh.
She's gonna do real makeup, then she's gonna do the fake makeup. Hi, I'm Nora. And I'm 8 years old and it's my birthday today.
Okay, what are we doing today?
I'm going to be doing your makeup.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Emme, and I'm 5 years. Close your eyes. I am Nora's sister. Let them see this. Let them see. Emme. You didn't put some right here. I'm about to. You're doing good blending. You look orange.
Yeah.
You look a little bit orange.
Yeah, I kind of do.
Are you supposed to look orange?
No. Maybe if we take a little beauty blender and blend it out.
Yeah.
I guess we could highlight to get the orange, to get a little bit of the orange off.
Okay, that's enough. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
That is not orange anymore.
What's the paper towel for?
She has to blend it in a little bit to make it highlight.
The powder.
Look at the camera.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Look at the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so I'm doing the powder under her eyes. Okay. Oh, that looks actually good like Mom's.
A little bit more. Okay.
Done with the under eyes.
Tell the people what you're doing.
So I'm putting a different kind of powder now.
Mm-hmm.
Don't breathe in it.
Okay.
Don't breathe in it.
Okay.
Cheeks. So now I'm going to put some brow pencil on her brows to make it a little bit darker so you can see. So it's getting darker and like blackish so they can see it. I messed it up.
Okay, well then we can just wipe it off.
And I'm going to just do a little bit of highlighting on the eyebrow just so they know that she has eyebrows. She probably doesn't, but she does. Right here, I'm going to use this one right here. No, we just need a little bit of, like, and then I'm going to put it on.
All of these ones are the eyes, and then these I think are glosses.
Okay, what color do you want on your eyes?
You're the artist, babe. You tell me.
I don't know how I'm going to apply this, but I'm probably going to be good at it. You're doing good, Nora. I have a little bit of blue. Let's just do some blue on my eyes instead of, I'm going to do
the
blue and then a pink.
You know, your masterpiece will last on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do a little bit of purple.
Wait, what are you doing?
Of course, purple.
Silly girl.
Purple's actually my favorite color. So.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll take the rest.
Okay. So what are you not feeling about this eye anymore?
Because it just looks ugly. Now that looks stylish. Yeah. It's like a stylish color. Now let me do the other one. Okay. I'm done with that.
Okay.
Keep your lips closed. Now that looks nice.
Not okay.
I gotta fix her hair first. No, I don't. But I'm gonna fix her hair. Her hair's beautiful. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of a different pink.
So, what color?
So I'm going to use one of these right here. So I'm thinking like either like this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one.
Oh, no, baby, no, don't brush it. Oh my gosh, you're pulling it though.
Sorry.
That's okay. Pain is beauty, it's fine.
It's way better than this.
Oh, okay.
Now that's stylish.
Here, thank you. Okay. Thank you. No? Okay, no, yeah. Nora says no.
Oh yeah, that's kind of good. Kind of. Now do.
Mm.
Now it's.
No, it's okay.
You're popping it. Okay, next.
Good. Ow, 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 ow.
You're like, ow, 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 ow.
Oh my gosh. What have I done with you girls? Oh my gosh. What have I gotten myself into?
This might get a little messy, so stay tuned. This is eyeliner, right?
Yeah, that's eyeliner. Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, that looks like a real lash.
Yeah.
Eyeliner is basically just like a marker, but it goes on your eye. So first, you just hold it like a pencil like this. And then you put it on the side like that. And then you just do it like that. No.
No.
Oh.
Mm-mm. That's good you're stepping back from your work and like looking at it and making an evaluation as you go. But are you enjoying yourself and having fun with your creativity?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Cool.
I need to tell the viewers. You can talk. So, we have a lot more videos. So subscribe on the channel and turn notifications so you can subscribe. So, stay tuned. You heard it here first, okay?
Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
Again.